How to log in Telegram without a verification code. To log into Telegram without the verification code, open Telegram and go to the Add Account section over here. So if you want to log in without verification code, you have to log in from a device where you've already previously logged in. So Telegram can recognize that this is your own device, and in most cases it will not send or ask you for a verification. If better, you must also be on the same Wi-Fi where you were mostly using Telegram before. That way Telegram can recognize the IP address of the Wi-Fi network and it will let you log in. But if you're logging in on a completely new scenario, there is no way for you to avoid the verification code menu. In case if you forgot your password and so on, you can always reset it using your phone number because your Telegram is linked to your phone number. But these are some of the steps that you can take to log into Telegram without verification code. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.